Avian influenza, commonly known as bird flu, has reached the shores of Marion Island. This remote island, often considered one of the last untouched sanctuaries for wildlife, is now facing an unprecedented crisis. This remote island, located in the sub-Antarctic region, is a haven for a diverse range of seabirds. These birds, which have thrived in isolation for centuries, are now at risk due to the arrival of this deadly virus. The arrival of this highly contagious virus poses a significant threat to the island's fragile ecosystem, particularly to the wandering albatross, an iconic and vulnerable species. The wandering albatross, known for its impressive wingspan and long migrations, is now facing a new and deadly challenge. The virus, identified as a highly pathogenic strain of avian influenza, or HPAI, has been detected in several bird species on the island. Scientists are working tirelessly to understand the full extent of the outbreak and its potential impact on the island's wildlife. HPAI is known for its rapid spread and high mortality rate in birds. The virus can decimate bird populations in a matter of weeks, leaving conservationists scrambling to find solutions to protect these vulnerable species. The presence of this virus on Marion Island has raised alarm bells among scientists and conservationists worldwide. Efforts are now underway to contain the outbreak and prevent further spread, but the challenges are immense. The remote location of Marion Island makes it difficult to deploy resources quickly, and the unique ecosystem requires careful handling to avoid further disruption. Marion Island is home to a significant proportion of the world's wandering albatross population. These magnificent birds, with their impressive wingspans exceeding 3 meters, are known for their long lifespans and remarkable ability to soar effortlessly over vast distances. The wandering albatross is a species of high conservation concern, listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN. The bird flu outbreak on Marion Island poses a direct and potentially devastating threat to this already vulnerable species. The impact of the bird flu outbreak extends beyond the wandering albatross. Other bird species on Marion Island, including brown skuas, giant petrels, and various penguin species, are also at risk. The interconnectedness of species within an ecosystem means that the loss of one species can have cascading effects throughout the entire system. The potential loss of key seabird species could disrupt the delicate balance of Marion Island's unique ecosystem. Section 4. Understanding the avian influenza virus. Avian influenza viruses are a group of viruses that primarily affect birds. These viruses are found naturally among wild aquatic birds worldwide and can infect domestic poultry and other bird and animal species. These viruses can be classified into two categories: low pathogenic and highly pathogenic, based on their ability to cause severe disease in poultry. Low pathogenic avian influenza may cause mild symptoms or none at all, while highly pathogenic avian influenza can lead to severe illness and high mortality rates in birds. The strain of avian influenza detected on Marion Island is highly pathogenic. This particular strain has caused significant concern among wildlife experts and veterinarians due to its potential impact on bird populations. This means that the virus is highly contagious and often fatal to birds. Symptoms in infected birds can include respiratory distress, swelling, and sudden death, making it crucial to monitor and control outbreaks. The virus can spread through direct contact with infected birds, their droppings, or contaminated environments. Contaminated water, soil, and even equipment used in bird habitats can facilitate the spread of the virus, making biosecurity measures essential in preventing outbreaks. Section 5. Protecting our feathered friends, a collective responsibility. The bird flu outbreak on Marion Island highlights the importance of disease surveillance and biosecurity measures in protecting vulnerable wildlife populations. This remote island, home to numerous bird species, has become a focal point for understanding how diseases can spread in isolated ecosystems. The work being done here is not just about saving birds on Marion Island, but also about gaining insights that can be applied globally. International cooperation and a coordinated response are crucial in addressing this crisis. Countries around the world must share data, resources, and expertise to effectively combat the spread of bird flu. Collaborative efforts can lead to the development of better strategies for disease prevention and control, ensuring that similar outbreaks can be managed more efficiently in the future. Scientists and conservationists are working tirelessly to monitor the situation, track the spread of the virus, and assess its impact on bird populations. Their dedication involves long hours in challenging conditions, often in remote and harsh environments. By collecting and analyzing data, they can provide critical information that helps shape effective conservation strategies and policies. Public awareness and responsible actions, such as avoiding contact with wild birds and reporting any sick or dead birds to the relevant authorities, can also play a vital role in preventing the further spread of the virus. Educational campaigns and community engagement are essential in fostering a culture of responsibility and care for our natural world. Everyone has a part to play in protecting our feathered friends and ensuring the health of our ecosystems.